this is John. In this video, I'll help you understand how call logs are managed in Dovyo CRM. Using call logs, you can understand that to which lead or to which customer a particular staff of your organization has made a business conversation. This can be taken as a report, as like what's the duration of the conversation and at which date and time this conversation has happened. To understand the discussions happened for a lead, move your cursor to the left side navbar and get into a leads model. Get into a lead, you will find the calls tab. So in this call tab, when you click on it, you can understand the name of the staff, who is responsible for this call, the date and time the call has happened, and what was the status of the call. If the call was answered and there happened a conversation, what is the duration of the call? Similarly, regarding customers, you can see to which customer, on which date and time, and for how long duration the staff of your organization has made a business conversation. For that, move your cursor to the left side navbar, hit on customers, get into a customer. So in that you will find communication tab. Hit on it, you will see call. So getting into this call will explain you that the staff of your organization has made a conversation of business with this customer on this date and time for these many durations. So if the call is unanswered or missed, your duration will not be captured. In order to take an overall staff report of the same, like how many calls have been dialed, received, answered or unanswered, missed, rejected, these all can be studied under the call logs of the report model. Move your cursor to the left side navbar, you will find reports. In reports, you will find call log. So get into this call log. You can get reports for customer wise, also for staff and lead. So I'm going to customer, giving a period. Per se, I like to find it for last month. I'm giving a name of my staff. So when I hit on apply, it helps me to understand how many calls have been made by this staff for the entire lead or customer. So overall for this duration, he has made 600 calls, in which 487 are dialed calls, and in that 8 hours and 43 minutes the conversations have happened. There are no unanswered calls. So received is 113. And the duration of the received calls is being highlighted here. He has missed 47, rejected 1, and out of this 600, total calls, 190 were for leads, 4 for customer. 1 is like for staff to staff. Apart from numbers, you can also find a pictorial graphical representation on which day the calls have been happened, so that there can be a better understanding of the work of the employee. Also, when you scroll down, the total call will be listed here so that you can have a fair understanding. So which call is for whom? So for customer or for lead? So at what time and what duration and what is a call type here? So how many total calls are made? And also you can download this report if you want in PDF or in Excel, as like here. In order to view this data in the reports model, the staff of your organization has to do something prior, which is he or she should synchronize and grant permission to access the contacts of their mobile phone with the Dovyo CRM mobile application. Only if you have done these two steps, that is granting permission and synchronizing a phone book contacts with the mobile application, your real-time data will get reflected here. To do this, long press the mobile application to get app info and click on app permissions. It will lead you to call log. Here select allow. Similarly, you will do it for contacts. Select allow for that too. Now let's see how to make call log synchronization in mobile application. Get into the application and open the drawer to the left side, where you will get to see a book icon to the bottom right corner. Click on it. It will show you an option as sync Dovyo CRM contacts. Enable it so that it gets synchronized. When you click on the summary here, it will show the status of progression as such. To the bottom, you will see call log is processing. Once it becomes as everything updated, it tells you that your entire call logs have got synchronized. So only if we have done this in prior, you can get the real-time data in the call log reports of the report model. Moreover, you should understand one thing very clearly. That is, after doing all the above mentioned steps, the duration that the CRM takes to get the data to be reflected will be anywhere between 15 minutes because the cron has to be triggered automatically for this process. This is how call logs have been managed in Dovyo CRM. If you have any further queries or clarifications, please do contact a customer success specialist for getting deeper insights on the same. Thank you.